Bienvenido. ¿Estás buscando los mejores gadgets de cocina? ¡Genial! Porque nosotros seleccionamos para ti los mejores gadgets de cocina de Amazon y AliExpress. Estos increíbles gadgets de cocina te ahorrarán muchísimo tiempo. Si quieres comprar alguno, pincha en el enlace de la descripción. Estos gadgets te convertirán en todo un chef. Disfruta del vídeo y gracias por vernos.
Whipping up classic meals in the kitchen has never been easier with the high-quality non-stick turner set from Upgood, your new go-to set of tools for all of your kitchen favorites. Your package includes both a large and small spatula, each uniquely suited for all different foods and tasks. These turners are crafted with reinforced Flex Technology stainless steel, strong enough to lift almost any food but designed with a little bit of flex to make them more agile and precise. Combined with the tapered edge and sleek non-slip grip, you can really get under fragile omelets and finally flip pancakes like a pro. The silicone blade is also durable, heat-resistant, and safe to use on all cookware. Get the precision movement and control you need with Upgood's top-of-the-line turner set.
Make food preparation easy with the Gorilla Grip Original 3-piece cutting board set. Our boards are larger and thicker than most brands for long-lasting quality. The durable rubber border helps keep the board in place on smooth, clean surfaces. Plus, these boards are BPA-free, making them a perfect product to use in your home. The boards are dishwasher safe, making cleaning a cinch. We hope you enjoy your cutting boards from Gorilla Grip.